Iowa, oh, Iowa. Land of corn, butter sculptures, and now the first state to say, you know what? Maybe trans people don't need civil rights after all. I mean, who needs protection from discrimination in housing, employment, or public accommodations? It's not like those things are essential for, existing in society. I love how they frame this as some kind of necessary legal cleanup. Oh no, if we let trans people have rights, our other oppressive laws might get challenged in court. That's the concern? That your attempts to control people's bodies and lives might not hold up under legal scrutiny? Wow, what a tragedy. Thoughts and prayers. And before you say, oh, it's just gender identity, it doesn't affect anyone else. You sweet summer child. That's how this works. You start by stripping one group of their rights, and then suddenly other inconvenient minorities start looking a little too comfortable. Maybe next it's women's rights again. All right, already on that train. Maybe gay rights, disability rights. Hell, let's go full nostalgia and bring back segregation while we're at it. And what's their big justification? We just want to protect fairness in sports. Right, because clearly the biggest threat to women's sports isn't underfunding, sexism, or abuse. It's a few trans athletes. Yeah, you nailed it. And let's not forget the classic, think about the children. The ones they refuse to feed or provide health care for, because heaven forbid they get gender-affirming care that saves their lives. Look, if you're celebrating this as some kind of moral victory, I have bad news. You're not the hero of this story. You're the villain. The one history books will look back on and go, yikes, that aged terribly. Civil rights aren't some buffet where you get to pick and choose who gets to be treated like a human being. Either we all have them or none of us do. So congrats, Iowa. You've made history. Just not the good kind.